Your media is your credibility, and on SpeakerHUB, it's what turns profile visitors into real bookings. Welcome to SpeakerHUB. In this tutorial, you'll learn exactly how to add videos and photos to your profile, so event planners can see you in action before they even reach out. Let's start on your speaker page. Click on the About tab. When you scroll down, you'll find two dedicated sections, videos and photos. This is where all your media lives, and it's visible to anyone who visits your profile. Now, you have two ways to add content. The first is the quickest. Simply click the Add Media button directly from this page, or go to the top right corner of the screen, click on your name to open the menu and select Edit My Hub. This takes you to your personal details page. From there, scroll down until you see the media section, where you'll find both the videos and gallery areas. To add a video, you don't need to upload any files. All you need is a link. Paste the URL of your video from YouTube, Vimeo, or any major platform into the video URL field. Then click the orange Add button. The video will appear instantly as a thumbnail card below. Add as many videos as you have, keynotes, testimonials, interviews, anything that shows your skills and your message. Once you've added multiple videos, use the up and down arrows on each card to reorder them and control exactly how they appear on your profile. For photos, click the Upload Image button in the Gallery section. Choose images that show you on stage, speaking, or working with your audience. Once your image is uploaded, add a caption to it. Use that space to describe the context, the event, or the impact. It adds another layer of credibility. When you're done, save your changes. Your videos and photos will be live on your profile immediately. Your media tells your story before you say a single word. Head to SpeakerHUB now and start adding yours.